live again, everybody. It's Crypto Leprechaun on Crypto Live. We are back and better than ever. It's been a while since I've been on, but I am back. And hopefully bigger and better things to come. I hope everyone out there is doing well. And while we wait for a few people to maybe possibly, hopefully, trickle in here, I will do a few things as far as I will unmute myself from Discord. And also, I will double check just to make sure that I am live on YouTube. And then, boom, there I am. Oh. I have my volume turned up on my phone. You can tell I haven't been on here for a while, huh? Yeah, I hope everybody's doing well. Hope everyone had a very wonderful weekend. And heading into this week, in the market, not quite as well as what we maybe hoped for, huh? It's been, the stock market anyways, has been a little bit rough last couple of days. But depends on what side of that you're on as well. I did have a couple put options that came in for me. But alright. So, yeah, anyway, sorry about that. Just reading a couple things on Discord. Getting caught up. I haven't been on for a while. So, is anybody into anything? Anybody out there? Anybody? I know it may take a few streams to get everybody back in the swing of things. Because I've been off for about 10 days at least. Almost 2 weeks, maybe. But, let's see. We've got Bitcoin coming in at, I'll go over some of my watch list while we wait for anybody that might possibly come in. Currently we got XRP coming in at 38 cents. I really gotta get my contacts renewed. Got XRP coming in at 38 cents. Got Doge coming in at 10 cents. Algo 23 cents. BAT 23 cents. XYO for those of you that are on the Coin app. 0.004. Matic coming in at 91 cents. And we drop all the way down to... Well, the Dixie's at 105. That's, I believe that's up a tick. Just because I've been away doesn't mean I haven't kept an eye on things. At least my left eye. I've tried to keep on. We got Bitcoin coming in at 17,000. ETH coming in at 1,265. Lump coming in at 0.0001. 3 zeros 1. Luna $1.62. Jasmine at 0.004. SHIB at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros 93. It's pretty bad when you gotta count the zeros. XLM coming in at 0.085. 0.085. OP $1.05. ADA 31 cents. Gala 2 cents. Solana $18.01. FTM 24 cents. Ape $4.15. BNB B Nancy Boy. We got coming in at $289. Uniswap $6.18. Mana coming in at 41 cents. Sliding in. ETH Classic at $19.48. Sand 61 cents. And I think that pretty much hits a lot of the big boys. Myrrh. I know some people have been trading myrrh from time to time. It's at 13 cents. Chili's, not the restaurant, the sports coin, at 16 cents. Harmony at 1.014, which I'm surprised that's even still trading. Yeah, I think I guess that really pretty much does. Crow at 0.067. So that really kind of does it for now.
What's going on?
Hey, what's happening? What's shaking? It's KRS1 in the studio.
Just chilling.
Nice, nice. Very nice.
Just got out the shower, trying to make some money.
There you go. That's always a good thing.
We were all on here last night.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I missed that message. I had a long night. Ended up having a long night last night. I saw it this morning though. Oh, very nice. Let's see here. We got Bitcoin coming in at 17,045. It's holding in the. Actually, it's been in this little channel here for quite a while. When was it? I'm on a 30-minute chart. Since the 5th. Yesterday. About 2:30 in the afternoon yesterday.
Sorry.
For about 17.
My bad.
Alright, so anybody out there on YouTube got anything going on? You guys trading anything? You guys sitting on your hands, waiting to see what shakes out this next couple weeks? Could be a wild ride. We got some Fed numbers coming in, but it's also the end of the year. Will really depend on what. I don't know. I don't know what this Christmas season is gonna be like. I don't know. I don't know if people are gonna go hog wild or if they're gonna. I think they're gonna be a little more on the reserve side, a little more conservative. I didn't hear as much about. I didn't feel like Black Friday was quite as big of a deal this year. But then I also got thinking about it, and I was like, I wonder if part of that is because it's the
What
kind
was
of.
the record-breaking Black Friday?
Well, yeah, but I was thinking, it's like it's so spread out now. Like Black Friday's almost like over a week long, where Black Friday used to be just, you had to get up at 4 in the morning and you had till 6 o'clock that night to get the specials. Where now, like shit, I think Walmart started theirs on the Monday before Thanksgiving, and Amazon ran theirs all the way through. I think it was through the end of the next week, after past Cyber Monday. So I think it's just it. It probably was just as big. It just seemed to me personally as like Friday. That Friday wasn't as big of a deal, and it's probably because it wasn't. I think a lot of people shopped online, and I think a lot of people shopped before and after that Friday. Which, if I got into that kind of stuff, I probably would have done the exact same thing. I did get a couple things on Cyber Monday. Actually, it was Tuesday, but they were still, still had the prices from Cyber Monday. I think a lot of places did that for quite a while. Hey, Luna, what's up? Luna has entered the chat. It's early for you, brah. Well, I did get on a little bit later, I guess. Crypto Ape, what's up? Shaking. The one, the only, the cleaning machine.
Slowly creeping in.
Yep. Like I said, it may take a couple sessions to get everybody back in the in the groove. I haven't been in Tame's channel because he has members only mode on all the time. Is he still doing that? I haven't even looked. But I know about, I don't know, last time I was on there, about over a little over a week ago it was. Huh. I don't know if he's trying to do that to get more members, or I don't know. Maybe he was having a spam problem. So I've been in other channels. Well, it feels special to have you in here, Luna. By the way, your build's probably about done. I just looked the other day. I added a couple more on there, and you only had like maybe a week.
Nope.
Nope. It's a drive-by. We should have drive-by by Ape.
I just crop dusted everybody.
Nice. I kind of thought that's what that was, but I just left it as it was. Baked Jesus changed his name to Nine-Toed Jesus. Oh, shit.
That's a good one.
Yes. I just happened to see that inside of my screen. Nine-Toed. I wish he'd come in here so he could tell us what in the hell happened. Baked Jesus. You're always going to be Baked Jesus to me, but if you're in here, if you're ever listening, or if you're listening to this after, at a later date, I should say, stop by sometime and just give us a little background story on what happened to your toe.
I think he chopped it off himself because you get paid pretty good for losing digits.
Do you really?
No, I'm sure he probably didn't. But
you gotta cover those doctor bills.
well, insurance will pay your doctor bills plus give you, I think it's 10 grand a digit.
Oh, that's hearsay.
Shit.
I'm gonna Google some shit.
No wonder homeless people are always missing fingers. My guess is Tame got demonetized, so he created the member-only mode. I may be dumb, but I ain't that stupid to pay to chat. So I just listen or go to other channels. I don't know why he would get demonetized, though. I mean, trust me, there's some people with a lot crazier shit on than he or I have. We've been pretty I can't think of the word for it right now, but we've had some pretty wild nights on here, and I've never had any issues. I Yeah, I don't know. I know his Discord sometimes can get pretty hairy, but I don't know how often he has that hooked up to YouTube. He's usually pretty sharp on that kind of stuff. I don't know. Who knows? I think he just did it to cut out on some of the spam because he was getting. I mean, dude, he was getting up to 400 or 500 people on YouTube Live. And but I don't really recall a lot of issues. I wasn't in there a lot, so I shouldn't say ever. But
So I got a question for you guys.
what's up?
I just had a company pay me $2,100 on a prepaid discovery card.
Okay.
What I'm looking for is a way to cash that out into crypto. Binance won't take credit cards. Crypto.com won't take Discover card.
It's Discover.
Cash App doesn't take credit cards. So it's like, holy shit.
What about Robinhood?
Yeah, Robinhood won't take Discover either.
Oh, it's Discover. Okay.
Like, what a shitty thing to do. Let's give you a prepaid Discover card.
Okay. What if you took your Discover card and went to... I almost smell like Squarefoot. Went to CVS and bought a bunch of prepaid Visa cards.
I would probably have to email the company and see if they can mail me a physical card. It's a virtual fucking card.
Oh. Oh, that makes it even harder, yeah.
Yeah. So I've been thinking that maybe I'll just like buy a bunch of Xboxes and sell them.
A bunch of what?
Xboxes.
Oh! Yeah, that's another way. Buy something that's hot that you could flip real quick. Shit, especially right now at Christmas. But the bad thing is you don't want to do it like on eBay because the fucking those fees will eat you. They eat the shit out of you.
Yeah.
But I mean, you could probably sell. Well, I don't know if you get full price out of them on Marketplace. Just trying to think. There's got to be a way.
Yeah, I was like, oh shit, yeah, I'll fucking have this 2,100 right into crypto. That'll
Heck
be a
yeah.
nice little kicker. Did you get the email from Gemini?
Yeah. Yeah. I think I did.
Okay.
Just like yesterday or the day before.
Yeah, something like that. About their page that lists all the details about their withdrawal process.
Oh, now you got me curious. I don't remember seeing that.
Once I get to a good spot here at work, I'll screenshot it and put it in general chat if you didn't get it.
Okay. Yeah, 'cause I don't think I got an email. Oh, I know what I saw. I saw on Twitter where they. Okay, no, I did. That was today.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
Yep, I got it. Okay.
Okay. Not that it's promising at all, but it's at least something other than sorry to get fucking big.
Yeah, I was getting a little worried because they went like 10 days without any kind of word, but now it says it looks like they're going to update every Tuesday and Friday.
We'll see.
Yeah. If Gemini can stay solvent, then may have a chance. I'm not saying very good, but it may be a possibility anyway.
Well, I really hope that Gemini doesn't fucking fold from this.
That's what I mean. If Gemini can stay okay, that might be our savior. Because I mean, they're gonna have to make their earn right before they're gonna be able to get trust in people.
Yeah.
And if they do, then they're gonna get a lot. That will actually really probably help their business. Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah. Well, I'll continue to still do business with you if I get money.
Yeah.
I guess maybe that's kind of a stupid thing to do, but whatever.
Yeah.
I have no choice with my self-directed Roth IRA.
Right. Gosh, hope we don't lose that.
I hope not either. Did you see Robinhood's authoring on it, Roth?
I just saw it today. I think it was today.
Yeah, it popped through on my app today while I was trying to add that fucking Discover card.
Yeah, I didn't read into it or anything, but I probably, I don't know, I probably won't do anything like that online, but
I even went to my website and tried to charge myself.
oh, yeah.
Didn't work.
7 hours left on your build. That's what I thought. I knew it had to be getting down there. Awesome. Well, good deal. Lep, you need someone to run your channel at night. Yeah, no, I'm gonna be back at it. I had to take a little break due to some I don't want to say medical, not really medical issues, but anxiety slash burnout slash a lot of shit going on. So I think it's good for everybody to step away for a little bit every once in a while.
Fuck that.
Yeah, I mean, you just I was starting to get to the point where it wasn't fun anymore. I mean, my lord, for almost right at a year, I did this for. I mean, especially the first probably 6-7 months, I did it like 6 days a week, every night. For back then though, I was asking to burn myself out because I was doing like between 12 to 20 hour sessions. Sleep for a little bit, get up and do it all over again. But that was also during the market wasn't quite as bad as it is now, so it was pretty entertaining.
Wait, do you guys hear that? Sounds like a baby crying.
A bunch of BS.
No. Shit, fucker. Wonder where Squidward is. He tried to call me earlier. I was in the shower.
He'll be on. He was on last night.
Yeah. He's been itching to get on.
I know I tried to text you last night and tell you to get on, but you didn't respond.
Yeah, I was actually asleep.
They kind of figured that. I was like, I'm still gonna blow them up.
Oh, it's all right. I was on this anxiety medicine and I was doing good, but I felt like I just needed just a little bit more. So I went to the doctor Friday for a follow up, and so he upped my dose, but I didn't get it filled till Sunday, so I took my heavier dose Sunday. And Sunday night at poker, I was like, man, I feel tired, I'm exhausted. And anyway, I took it again yesterday morning, and it knocked the shit out of me. I was out, and I was like, I'm not doing this anymore. I can't go. They say if you can make it like past the first 2 weeks, you're okay or whatever. But I'm not gonna go sleeping 20 hours a day for 2 weeks. So I took it upon myself to go back to my regular dose, and that's what happened last night. I was fucking knocked out. I didn't wake up till like 2 in the morning.
Oh Jesus!
Yeah, it slept all day.
Well, at least you're rested.
Yeah, yeah, I feel pretty. I feel pretty good.
Good.
It will not be fun all the time. This streaming is like a job, so be mentally prepared, or all your time will be wasted. No, I know. I agree. I totally agree. And trust me, even back in the day, there were days I did not want to stream, but I did it anyway. So I get it. I understand. And the good thing is, which I feel very blessed, is that I really like all you guys, and even you, Lena. And you just gotta know how to take. Everybody's got a different personality, and as long as you know how to take that, then you're in pretty good shape.
I mean, what the fuck are we supposed to do without our left?
Yeah, I know, right?
I bought a Yeti, and Yeti's website has monograms, and their monogram is damn near the same as my KRS symbol that I created.
Really?
So I put one on there, and I got one coming.
Sweet.
Fancy, fancy.
They were free on Black Friday. The engravings were free. And
Nice.
the cup is a lot cheaper.
I spent like $400 last Christmas on a backpack that had my business logo embroidered on it.
Nice.
Yeah, that was a bit pricey, but it's fucking dope.
Yeah, that's cool.
Fuck yeah.
Professional.
Sure. I'll see if I can sneak you guys live when I do the Christmas party for Yellowstone.
Yeah, that'd be sweet.
They just highly frown on people using cell phones.
You had to sneak,
Public relations, social media and shit.
had to sneak it in. Or on.
Look, my first couple of times, they took my cell phone away from me.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
What kind of Christmas party is it?
Well, it's for Yellowstone, the television show.
Oh, okay.
And they don't want you posting pictures of the actors on your social media
Yeah,
talking about the show or anything.
yeah.
It all needs to be approved through Paramount Pictures.
They want it to be a private thing where the actors can just be themselves, probably.
Yep.
Basically get hammered and I have to worry about being on all over the magazines.
Look at Kevin Costner, a sloppy drunk fucker.
Yeah, yeah. Smoking cigarettes and whatever else they do.
Hitting on the co-star.
Yeah, that too.
Next thing you know, you see him on the Inquirer magazine.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Pictures taken from the DJ.
Fuck.
No, you're smarter than that because you want to do the one next year.
Yeah, dude. I mean, they bring in a lot of money for me.
Heck yeah, I bet. That's good to have on the old resume as well.
Dude, like, I asked them what their budget was when I did the first party, and they're like, what's your price per hour? And I did not think that they would say yes to it because I really didn't want to do it at first.
Yeah?
And so I quoted them $600 a fucking hour.
Oh, shit.
They signed a check.
Wow.
So I'm like, okay, I guess I'll keep this contract in good standing.
Yeah. That's one of those where I don't want to do it, but I'm going to shoot them a price where if they say yes, then I'm all about it.
Well, at the time when I first did the bidding, I didn't know it was Yellowstone, the TV show.
Oh, right, yeah. And it's a pretty good little drive for you, too, isn't it?
It's about 45-minute drive.
Oh, that's not bad. Shoot, that's not bad at all.
Yeah, they're just right up the road from Missoula.
That's not bad at all.
they leased the farm that they film on for 7 years.
Oh, wow. That show's still going on, isn't it? I've never seen it.
Oh yeah, they just wrapped up season 5.
That's what I thought. I knew it had been a few years, but I didn't know the exact number. You guys, anybody into BTC right now?
I'm in Doge.
Did you get it under 10?
I'm in a BTC short.
That's good. I just noticed it was going down.
No, I got in
last night. Oh, go ahead, Abe.
No, go ahead. You started.
I was telling them last night that my P&L on my Kucoin only has 6 reds total, the entire thing.
Damn.
And I'm gonna recount that. It might have moved recently.
What's it? How many does it keep? Like 20 or no, more than 20. 30?
I would say at least 50. There's 7 reds on here.
Holy cow.
You're a cheater. You took a 1 penny profit a whole bunch of times.
I mean, they're not. Some are like $1.45. Some are like 3 cents.
I'm joking, dude. A win's a win.
But I have a loss here for like a less than a penny sign.
Less than a penny.
That's the little less than sign.
Yep.
You always,
Next to a penny.
yeah, you gotta love that. I've seen that a lot.
We're headed to the Tesla dealership.
Fuck yeah.
You see where Elon's in trouble now for animal killing of animals.
Just lost my YouTube chat.
Or Neuralink, I should say. They're gonna come after him for something. They're gonna try to hold him down however they can. I'm afraid.
I don't think he's killed any animals, so has he?
I don't know. Brave Browser said that some employees have said they've killed up to 1,500.
1,500 pigs or monkeys?
It just said animals.
Oh, fuck that.
So I don't know what. It could be mice for all we know.
Yeah.
Dude, how many animals has Big Pharma killed? Probably millions.
Right?
Nobody said a word about that. Huh.
That probably killed 1,000 mice.
Who's one of the biggest contributors to not just Democrats but Republicans as well? Their political campaigns. Big Pharma. Dude, they're testing all the time on animals. Cosmetics, everything. They test everything on animals.
Oh, yeah. Put lipstick on a rat and it starts fucking doing the fish.
Yeah, literally.
So I just saw the most amazing shit last night. I'm watching some fucking, what is it, Hollywood's Black Husbands, like the Hollywood Housewives kind of show.
Yeah.
So I'm watching it, and it's Kevin Hart's little spoof on that reality show.
Okay.
And they're displaying commercials during that show where if you've used a curling iron and it's given you breast cancer, please call Dogan and Dogan Law Firm at blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what the fuck? So a hair straightener is giving girls breast cancer?
It really was a curling iron?
Yeah. Or a hair straightener. A hair straightener that people have used that gives you breast cancer.
What the hell?
I guess don't heat shit up next to your face so you're inhaling it.
Well,
I thought they just heated up. That's all I thought they did.
doesn't the FDA have to put a stamp of approval, or someone like approves the products?
Well, surely.
A hair straightener? No.
I thought they just heated up. That's what I thought they did.
Yeah, they heat
Yeah.
up on it. It's like a heater, so they could have used like a toxic coil and then a ceramic plate, so it could have been like a toxic coating on the ceramic plate.
Yeah, well, yeah. Doge One, what's up, brother? How you doing? Nice to see you in the chat. Luna says, as long as you've held your eligible contributions for at least 5 years, the IRA match is yours to keep. Robinhood is funny. So you have to keep it in there for 5 years. Are you loading up on Dogecoin, Doge One? Matt Wallace said to load up. As well as a lot of other BS.
Yeah, well, Kramer yesterday said dump all your crypto now.
It's been all over the news today about Kramer saying that.
Yeah.
It was all over Twitter anyway, and everybody's like, buy, buy, buy. He said it's never too late to cut your losses or something like that. Crypto is like a pet rock or something like that. I can't remember exactly how it was. I don't want to quote word for word, but it was pretty funny. Oh yes, you know it, Doge One says. Buy that Dogecoin.
Yeah, I took a Doge long yesterday with Squarefoot and your brother.
Really?
Yeah.
When it was still in the 10-cent range, wasn't it?
It was floating right above, right at 10 cents, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take profit set at 11 cents.
Can't find you on Discord with my new account. Where's my Discord? There it is. Are you in the... Do you have the same name? Oh, because I don't see you.
I no see you. You're not here.
Dogecoin.
You go home, you come back.
Hold on, let me see if I can find you, and then I'll send you a request.
So I think they inverted the D to a P on the Santa pump.
The D to a P?
Yes, sir. Because we're supposed to get some kind of Santa rally.
There, for a minute here, I just put my link in the chat, Doge One. See if that works. Oh, you got a new name. Well, that's why I couldn't find your old one then. Man, awful lot of red. Awful lot of red going on here. Something's pumping. Probably something, but I can't find what it is.
Flip that P upside down.
Damn, oil's down to
Nope.
74 bucks. Well, hopefully Squarefoot pops in. I was wanting to talk to him about the spy. I'll message him. Just in case he didn't get my...
Square inch has him tied up.
Worked, thank you. Alright, cool, Doge. Yep. It's Shiba. I saw Shiba was up about 0.5% since the new daily, which is about, well, we're about 2.5 hours out. I actually was reading an article about how Shiba, at the rate they're burning, I guess it could go up pretty good in the next 5 years, 3 to 5 years, if you don't mind waiting that long. Boy, stock market's been having a rough go. Doge One says I made some good trades. Good. Anytime you can make some good trades in a market like this, that's good. Lots of buying opportunities out there, I think. However, usually right now we're seeing an end of the year pump.
Oh, there's Square.
There's still time to go. Still plenty of time.
He's lurking.
Stuck in MULN stock. Hope it goes up soon. Nice car. Molten. EV company. Yeah, I've heard of it. I don't. It's never really been on my radar, but I've heard of it. I bought a. There's Squarefoot. No, I cannot hear you, sir.
Squarefoot, you are deafened. No, you're not. You're good.
You're
But
lighting.
your microphone is flat.
Yeah, you're lighting up, but I no hear you.
In the famous words of 2-Foot Fred, can you hear me now?
Can you hear me now? Or how about now? Wait a minute. Okay, how about now?
I think I got it going.
There he is! What's going on?
Anybody make some money?
I made $20 on a spy put today.
Damn. I got smacked.
It was I've been in it for a few days, and it finally
That
got. Finally,
sucker. Man, she came down, dude.
yeah.
My calls were my calls just got smoked. Like I couldn't even get out of them. They went up from like $7 to $1.
Oh shit! Were they just for the day?
No, they're for Thursday.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, they'll probably uh, those are the ones I bought. Well, those are the same ones. I originally had $30 in calls like I guess it was like last week,
Mhm.
and then I managed to get that $30 to around $600.
Oh shit!
And then I bought a whole new position, and now it's worth like $60.
Oh man.
But I actually, just because I still got two more days, I was like, fuck it, I'll just go on and bring the average down to about $4 and settle in hell, you know.
Yeah.
And that way, if it ticks up, I'll get my money back. If not,
Sorry.
it's just another day.
There's 2 foot Fred rolling in. I'm cooking, so I might be in and out here. Yeah, right on. Well, you know I'm lurking. He's lurking in the background.
But I
I
still got a
bought,
couple hooks in the futures.
bought 3 supply contracts today.
Did
You
you
bought?
go?
I bought 3 spy contracts, calls. Oh, yeah.
What date?
What?
What's the
December 16th, and I think they were 430s, I believe. I got them for 8 cents a piece. I mean, $8 a contract.
yeah?
Because I feel like it's good. I mean, I don't know how much. Obviously, that's all time, but I don't know if we get any kind of rip in it. Those could go up pretty decently, couldn't they?
Yes.
Hmm.
I bought a bunch for $5 and sold them for about $75.
Yeah. You mean the whole contract for $5?
Yeah, or yeah, for 5 cents or whatever.
Yeah, yeah. So you play out of the money then, pretty far.
Yeah, I play pretty far out of the money, but that's only on vol like um during like Fed events and stuff, Fed talks, or like just big potential market moves.
Otherwise, you
It's a
do
lot
what?
safer to stay closer to the sure,
Oh, okay.
because if it goes
Well,
against you, those calls are gonna be worthless.
yeah. You mean the on the 12th or 11th and 11th is CPI or PPI and
CPI, yeah, on the 12th.
PI, and then the 12th is the Fed meeting. 12th and 13th, isn't it? 13th, yeah. So the numbers will probably come out at 13th. Yeah. What about 2:30 in the afternoon, like that? I think usually, yeah. Um, yeah. Robinhood fucked me on my deposit. Uh, they didn't really fuck me. I fucked myself, but they didn't give me a chance to make it right, and they sold my Doge to pay for it.
Really?
Yeah, I did the instant deposit thing,
Yeah.
and I made a deposit like the day that it was supposed to come out. I had made a deposit, and for some reason, my bank, they didn't charge me a fee, but my bank bounced it back to them.
Really?
Yeah. What I'm saying is I had the money in there when, like, the day they bounced it back. But anyhow, so instead of, usually they give you like 4 or 5 days to make it right. Yeah. And, they literally, like, sold my position. And because I have a ticker. Damn it. I'm getting that echo. Who's got me on? I don't hear the echo.
Is that,
The echo's
oh,
yourself.
maybe it's me. Yeah. Um. Anyhow, long story short, um, when I looked at my widget for Robinhood, it said that I had at one point I had like $300 in my account or active on Robinhood, and then all of a sudden it said $30. Well, or 38 or whatever. I knew what had happened, and I figured I go there and they didn't they didn't sell my position. They just took it off the out of the total, which I thought was weird. So I went ahead and sold my position, thinking I wouldn't have to make a deposit. Then I just sold it for a gain, and uh, thought I figured that would pay it off. And I'd basically start from scratch and make a new deposit. Well, then it wouldn't let me do the instant deposit. So I don't know
Oh.
what's going on.
Dude, I made my house note one time on margin.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Wow.
It won't let me do margin because I don't have enough in my regular account. I don't have. You got to have a $2,000 in there, and I don't have that.
Dude, don't ever use Robinhood margin. I used it
Yeah.
for 2 months, and like it's cool, but it's weird. It's like your values change so much on how much you owe them. Like, and then like it will say because it doubles your money. So like with me, I had at that time I think I had 10 grand in there. So it gave me I was trading with 20 grand, and it was buying out of my margin before it would even pull out of my money. You know?
So they get interest on it.
Yeah,
Oh
Yeah.
shit.
yeah. And
Yes.
it took me a minute to notice, and then I started to notice because I was also using it for spending too, because it's kind of like credit in a way. You know,
Hmm.
you just but I was doing really good at the time. That was still a bull market, so I was
Yeah.
like, cool, I can do margin. Yeah, it's not. Luckily, I ended up turning it off after I paid it all off. I was like, I've never turned it back on.
Huh.
The only reason why I even remotely attempted to look at it was because thinking I could get some money in there instead of the instant deposit until my regular deposit cleared. I don't understand why Robinhood can't do what everybody else does and do like pretty much automatic payments,
Just because
like
it
automatic
has to go through a
deposits.
bank.
It's what?
Because it has to go through a bank, they still route their stuff through a third, like like because it has like a spending account and brokerage account.
Right.
It's they're still kind of the traditional way.
Wonder why they can't.
If you
You
want
would
money
think they.
fast on Robinhood, then you need to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to Robinhood.
I did that, and
But it
I'm
costs.
glad you said that.
Yeah,
I can, cause I can send it from Cash App to Kucoin too, also, can't I?
yeah, that's what I do to send. Anytime I need money on like Maxi or anything, I buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send it.
Yeah,
Send
I
it,
keep
send
forgetting
it
about
away
that.
as soon as you buy it.
Hey, what do you guys think about the new tax rule they're trying to push through, or that they got that they're just gonna do? They're not really voting on it. I guess they're just saying it's enacted. I think it's I don't know
Venmo?
what
Venmo?
PayPal and Venmo.
Well, see, PayPal owns Venmo, so
I know. Well, pretty much it.
What's the
I
deal?
saw anything. Okay, so any transaction over $600 is taxable,
they
no
send you a
matter what.
they send you a 1099.
No matter what it's for.
Hmm.
Whether you loaned your cousin money, or they loaned you money, or you sold a sofa, or you
Who
sold
sends a
drugs.
1099? The
What?
seller? The seller has to send a 1099?
No, the let's see, the person not the person giving the money.
Yeah, the seller. I mean, no,
No,
the
no,
buyer doesn't have to do it.
no,
The buyer.
the platform like
He's
PayPal.
saying like gifting money, friends gifting money, not even buying and selling.
Oh,
Everything, every
Anything.
transaction
Yeah,
is
anything.
$6 or more. Like, what are you gonna do about your poker stuff, Lep?
Well, usually they're under each transaction is usually under $600.
No, if it's I think if it's the same account, they'll add it up for the freaking year.
Well, luckily, it seems like almost everybody's going to Cash App.
We could just
Yeah,
train.
I think they're gonna do all of them.
We could
They're
just
gonna make
train
all of them.
gold. You just need to
That's it.
get gold coins.
Yeah.
A poker with
What
gold bars.
There you go.
No, all I'm saying is when you once upon a time you were doing the app thing.
Yeah, I still am some, but I thought it was. I think it's just per each transaction.
Uh,
I'm pretty sure.
I don't know.
I don't think it's total. Because, dude, that would kill businesses, which they're already talking about. That even $600 is going to hurt businesses.
Right now the level is 22,000, I think, or 20,000 and 250 some odd transactions.
What's the
It has
tax
to
on it though? What's the how much are the what's the percentage on the?
probably be self or capital gains or self-employment tax, which is 15%.
There is no way they can do that on every single
Uh
thing.
huh. Why do you think they added 87,000 IRS agents or 89,000?
I know, but 15% on $600 transactions. That's on top of a state tax.
That's crazy.
I mean, thank the people that voted for Biden.
Yeah,
It's,
a lot of people are bitching because he said that nobody would be taxed if they made less than 400,000.
Yeah, well, welcome. Yeah, welcome to our new tax. And
less
there's
than
plenty of
400,000. Are people who make 400 grand a year supposed to be broke or something?
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
yeah,
Like
no shit.
taxing people, like tax people maybe like 120,000 and under or something. Like you 400 grand. What? What do you mean?
I guess Obama tried to do it, and there was such a backlash. Like the Republicans that are now going to be in control of the House after the first of the year are saying they're going to try to, but they're enacting that supposedly for this tax year. So they didn't even really. I don't know. I don't know how much truth. I'm going to have to research this because usually it's a year in arrears. Like that wouldn't be active until
Well, all you
doing.
gotta do is pay $599 and then turn around and send another dollar
Yeah,
separate.
but see, that's the thing. That's why I think it's like if I pay you square foot like $200-300 payments throughout the year, that's $600. I think that counts.
I thought it was just each transaction that was over $600. Is what I thought.
Yeah, but the easy way around that, like he said, would be to send three $200 transactions. So
Right.
they're not going to let that slide. They're not going to let that get around them.
There's always a loophole.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's fucked. I know that. I don't know what my whores and my and my whatever are gonna. I don't know
But my
what they're
weed
gonna.
guy's gonna be pissed.
Yeah, right. Fuck cash.
No, I haven't heard anything about Cash App yet. I just heard it was. I thought it was Venmo because I know it's been PayPal for about a year now. They've done the
That means
taxes,
that
but
Did y'all
means
see Robinhood offering the IRA?
yeah, we were
yeah.
we were talking about that. I saw it come through today.
So that means if you send yourself money off of an exchange, that'll be taxable. If you send it to PayPal, Venmo, or any of them.
Jesus.
I would
Yeah.
I either put that shit. I should. I just spend it right off Robinhood most of the
They
time.
said, well, here's the thing: if you don't do it, basically you are at risk of an audit. And then if you get audited, if it is a loan or whatever, you have to have documentation to back that up. Or let's say you sold something and you didn't make any money on it. You sold a car for a loss, or you sold a couch, or sold something for a loss. If you have the receipt, you prove that you didn't make any money on it. It wouldn't be taxable.
Well, I
Jeez.
could come off for quite some time, so I know I'm so curious to see my fucking statement this year.
That's the thing. Also, in my opinion, I think that if they're going to do this, PayPal, there ought to be a way to see what your current running total is on that deal. I don't use PayPal because they called back a payment. Somebody sent me money and then regretted it for rent, and she got pissed at me and called PayPal, and they fucking called it back after I'd already pulled it out. So I've got like a $300 and some odd deficit in my PayPal account. I just said fuck them.
Huh.
I use Cash App.
I have thrown so much money down the shithole this year on this. I don't even want to know. I'm glad I probably won't get one from XC or nothing.
Yeah, I doubt we won't get any from any of
I
the
didn't even
four.
get one from Coinbase.
Really?
Mm-mm.
Lep, if you end up, I hate to say it, but if you end up losing that stuff you got on Gemini or Genesis or whatever,
Yeah.
you need to get documentation so you can write it off
Yeah.
at the very least.
Right.
You're writing it off this year, even if it does come back.
Right.
How's that?
Yeah,
It's gone. It's gone now. So write that shit off and get that benefit now.
exactly.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it wouldn't really count until December 31st at midnight, but you could get the documentation now, and then if it came back, you just would use this documentation. That's how you would do it,
Yeah.
dated and all, and then you just wouldn't mention that you got.
That got it back.
That is what
Did I got it back? If I did.
that sounds so appetizing.
What's that?
You're snorting and carrying on, and spitting.
Oh, no, I wasn't spitting.
You have been though. I can hear it. I've got keen ears sometimes, but that was funnier in my head. But that is if you're not gonna show it income, then you won't have to worry about it. As far as like Kucoin and some of the others, them not reporting anything.
Right.
They'll be like, well, where did the money go that you put in here? I'm like, well, next week kind of took it, or Kucoin. They're like,
Well,
Kucoin.
have you heard of a coin called Luna? Have you heard of a coin
Yeah.
called FTP? Have you heard of a situation called a fucktard named Sam Bankman
Have you ever heard of Bitcoin or the crypto margin or crypto futures? You know, that thing that's illegal in our country?
Yeah, 200 times. Yeah, that was me.
200x.
I noticed on BitGet, I can't trade on there anymore.
Big Gap.
Yeah, they changed it because of the country.
Oh.
I know that people that call in from Australia on that other channel, we use Big Gap. They like it a lot. I think it's
I
Big
use it
Gap.
a little bit, but
That'll suck if and when C and Kucoin say we can't use it. That day's probably
I don't think we have anything to worry about KuCoin.
Oh, really?
oh,
No. It's been a year since trying to verify.
I know. Mine's just processing all the time, or pending all the time. Oh shit! Check.
Yep.
What do I have in an egg?
What do you
What am I
have?
doing?
What?
I've got an echo on my end.
Oh.
Check. Yeah, I still got it.
When I hear it, it comes through you.
I see me and you.
As opposed to what?
Like, I don't hear it coming through anybody else.
Oh,
I can hear myself in you.
uh.
check.
Sorry, I've
Still-
been
check your shit.
I am.
This
What-
tea you have is.
Shit. What do I check? I'm on my voice deal right now.
Do you
Check.
have? Are you on your phone?
Yeah.
Do you have anything?
You're echoing now too.
Yeah, I'm echoing through you. Do you have anything playing in the background?
Nothing.
Just make sure. Go through your settings. Make sure they're
You
working.
holding your phone upside down and talking to it?
No.
You talking into the ass of your phone?
My Discord settings or my phone settings?
See,
Discord.
it's fine now. It's got to be some way you're holding it.
It's on a stand.
God, you put it on. Are
Gone
you
now.
married to that thing?
No, it's gone now. Hello, check.
Yeah, it's gone.
Yeah, cool. Am I what to this thing? What?
You're married. You got it on the stand. You got hair on it.
Are you watching me?
It's his AI bot.
Dude, I watched a movie not too long, or what was it? I think last week. I can't remember the name of it. It's like a guy, the guy from Workaholics. What, you ever watch that on Comedy Central?
I don't think so.
No.
Well, he like goes. He's obsessed with his phone, and he breaks it. Goes to get a new one, but his phone's like got a mind of its own, and it talks to him and calls him like a loser. It's like all you do is sit on your fucking fat ass and stare at your fucking phone. You know, it's like, and it like teaches him how to like socialize with people and all this. It's crazy. It's a
That's
pretty.
hilarious. Ha!
Oh, I'm gonna think of the name of it.
I wonder how Tommy's house looks.
Yeah, I wonder how he's doing.
I don't know. His house in an undisclosed location.
Yeah, somewhere out in the desert.
Yeah.
He's out there. He's got a job feeding Pablo Escobar's hippos.
Yeah. Hippos? Does he really have hippos?
Yeah, he actually caused like a whole thing when he got busted. He had hippos, and then they ended up breeding, and then they took over like this small part of whatever
Yeah.
Mexico, and they ended up killing them all. So
No,
arrested.
those hippos are still running free. They're
There's-
trying to figure out what to do with them.
Oh, they haven't done it yet.
No,
They're-
they're deciding on what to do with them because they're fucking shit up.
I know.
They've had to put down like one or two, but there's like 50 of them
Okay.
now from 3.
It's
It's like
y'all look it up. It's pretty wild. I thought that they were talking about euthanization or something.
Yeah, they were talking about. Device did a whole like thing on him not too long ago. El Chapo's hippos. It's on YouTube.
Yeah.
they you think they could tranquilize them and like take them to where they
Relocate him.
They're just
inhabit.
so big. They're so heavy. I mean, that's like tranking elephants, like 50 elephants.
Yeah, I mean,
Like it's just easier just to cut them out. I mean, like y'all want some pork skins? You know, I wonder what hippo skins taste like.
yeah. Wonder what hippo meat. They eat hippos? I'm sure somebody
Is it like
does.
a cow? Is it like a cow?
I bet it's tough.
I bet it is tough as fuck.
Probably gamey.
It's probably like the secret to life.
Probably a delicacy somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere.
But you know that they've eaten hippos. The Indians probably did. Somebody did.
The Indian.
I don't
Oh,
know.
yeah.
Somebody way back when. They
It's
probably.
up to nearly 100.
Oh my god! You should,
100
Oh
of
my
them?
god, is right.
Shit. Talk about inbreed.
Yeah, there's probably a bunch of 3-eyed hippos and a bunch of
Five-legged hippos.
hippos with toes and hands and hippos with like 2 heads.
I bought some Apple puts today.
Did you?
Yeah.
What makes you think Apple's gonna take a dive?
I think that with Tim Cook and everything, I just think Apple's going to be in a little hot water here for a little bit, which I think's gonna hurt the stock.
It's showing early signs of it, you know.
Uh-huh.
Very well could be.
They canceled the car today till 2026.
Shit.
You know what's been doing really good lately, though, well, other than today, is Best Buy. I've noticed that Best Buy has, like, if you watch Best Buy next to the SPY, when the SPY goes, or when Best Buy goes up, the SPY goes up, and if it dips, even though the whole market's been doing shitty, like, you've had Tesla, Amazon, and Apple, which are all in the SPY, you know,
Mm-hmm.
going down, and the SPY going up. And I noticed that it had direct correlation with Best Buy.
Best Buy is the new Sears. It's where you get all your appliances.
Yeah.
Hmm.
The price.
There's Amber. What are you doing, Amber?
Nothing. What do you guys doing?
Hey, Amber, what's going on?
Leprechaun.
We were just talking about you guys.
We're alive.
Good, good. How's Tommy doing?
Sick.
Sick?
You got what I had.
Uh-oh.
Way to go, Amber.
Yeah, everybody's echoing for me. Somebody have YouTube on in the background or something?
Not I.
Fred,
Not
I think it's got to be you.
not-
You're the one that keeps hearing it.
No, what Abe just said that he heard an echo.
I can hear it.
No, I can't hear it.
Oh.
I don't hear it now.
I can hear it when it, or whenever it comes up. But
Check,
it's in and out,
check,
man.
check. No, I don't have it.
I don't hear it.
It's weird.
Echo.
Weird. Yep, you got it now. You caught it.
I don't even have
Fred?
fucking YouTube open.
Fred needs to get his head checked.
Now Abe's got it. Abe's got an echo.
I don't hear it.
Get down, Daisy.
God damn, dude, I'm getting killed on this Doge fucking lawn.
It's
Are you still in
Daisy.
it?
It's all Daisy's fault.
Yeah.
Crazy Daisy.
Of course I'm in it. It didn't come up into profit.
Yeah.
And like a dumbass, I added to it too high, and so now my liquidation's at 2 cents.
Yeah.
Is that that I'm a dumbass?
No, that's yeah. I was thinking to myself. I mentioned you should get more into it deeper when it went way down last night.
Going deeper
Then
underground.
your entry would have been way lower.
By the way, my wife did go to Best Buy and bought us a Nest thermostat.
She did.
Yeah.
Good deal. Did I give her that much guilt for not having a working thermostat?
No. We've been talking about it for a while, and today was the last day that Best Buy had it on sale.
Ah. Well, good deal. And now you won't have to use a wire to turn your shit off or furnace off and on.
Dude, welcome to the century. Those things are dope.
Yeah, Leb and I've had one. I've had one for a long time. It's awesome.
We talking about Wi-Fi thermostat?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I bought the first one
yeah.
I ever had. I bought my dad one, long time ago, maybe 10 years ago. And then from then we've been hooked.
Yeah. Imagine not having to stand up on your scooter and then on the armrest of your scooter to reach your thermostat normally.
Yeah, I can't like for you guys.
And
Yeah,
then be able to do it for my phone. Yeah, fuck yeah.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
Except when your Wi-Fi goes down in the middle of winter and you need to turn the heat up. But rarely.
That's when you just jump the cables.
No, I mean, well, you can push. I can push a button. I just can't reach them really. But
Uh,
I use a broomstick, and then I just hope I get it to the right temperature.
yeah, I'm down 242%.
Hmm.
Doge was up earlier. It was up around
Hey,
10 something.
Yeah, I was about $2 away from going into the green, and then it just started going down, and it hasn't stopped.
Yeah.
But as long as we don't go down to 2 cents, I'm pretty safe.
I think you should be all right on that.
Thanks, Abe. Now that you said that, we're gonna go there tonight.
Well,
Don't
go
even
a
do
little
that.
short in there with it.
That's what I said. Hedge that fucker.
Well, if I do that, then it brings up my liquidation because it's using the margin that I have set aside.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that.
Like if I even transfer $100 over to the spot side of MEXC, it jumps my liquidation up like way.
Wow.
hey, Leprechaun.
Yes, dear.
Well, give you guys a heads up and everything of what's going on with us. We are in Tennessee now.
You're in Tennessee.
Damn, you guys.
Jack and Dixie.
You went clear across the U.S.
You got the
And
roommate?
yes.
Right on.
I saw a picture, I think, on, was it maybe Facebook? With you and, was it your daughter or your family or somebody that you knew?
Yep, my daughter, my oldest.
Okay.
Are you staying, or do you plan on going back?
Yes. Nope, we are staying. We are done with Arkansas.
And
Arkansas?
you're done with the desert?
Yeah, and and then things didn't work out in California. Him and his sister had gotten into a big argument. She threw us out.
I can't imagine Tommy arguing.
Never.
Man, you guys are,
You're not far away from Coca-Cola.
shaking and moving.
Shaking and moving. He's right.
Hey, this computer is so awesome.
Got me.
Amber. This computer is so awesome.
I'm glad
you set it up for me so that
Go
when
ahead.
I buy something on Amazon, it comes up your roommate's credit card and yeah. I appreciate that. I tell her I'll pay her back,
Oh,
and then tell Tommy he's got mail.
You've got mail.
You think I'm kidding?
He left himself logged in. Of course he would have.
I had to go through and delete. I deleted everybody's account except for one I'm using.
Just our roommates.
Tell her I hope the interest rate's not too bad on that card. It was accident at first. It was set up for automatic payment.
You're gonna make Tommy's sick ass get up and get on the microphone.
I thought Amazon was giving me something free on Cyber Monday because my card never went up. My text alert never went off for my card, and I looked at it. I was like, somebody paid for it. I was like, who is Sean? SHON. Who's Sean? I'm not gonna say the last name on YouTube, but I was like, oh fuck, that's Tommy's roommate.
oh, she has a crush on you.
There he is.
He's like, is that saying
Crush on
English?
You probably
She's
just
just as short as you are.
Huh?
She's just as short as you are.
There
Who
he
is
is.
that, Tommy?
Yeah.
Yeah, Tommy 2 liter.
He didn't know what we're talking about, man.
He's been listening.
Fred,
Yeah.
I love you. I love you.
What?
Never God, I love you.
Are you on a different? Are you on a different mic?
Yeah, I'm on
Who, me?
Amber.
Are you? Are you on a different mic? Tell me.
No, me. Yeah, I'm on Amber's headset.
Okay, it's a little sometimes a little bit difficult to hear you.
I'll be right back, guys.
Oh,
right.
guys, you speak louder because you guys are.
What they're
I'm
trying to
gonna-
say is
Like
it sounds
boys.
like shit.
I'm gonna get out of Discord and get right back
Yeah,
in. I'm gonna get out, get right back in. I'm gonna see if I can get rid of this echo.
Okay.
yeah. We had I had to download Doge on my phone and start doing that way. And now I know how Fred feels.
Yeah.
Oh, here's Amber. She wants to talk to her leprechaun.
Yes. Yeah. All right.
Oh. Say something. Hold on. Yeah.
Mic check.
Yeah.
Oh, no echo. Thank God. Yeah, Sean, tell her that I'll send her crypto or something to pay her back.
I think we got Amber back. I think.
Bareback. Ooh.
All
Can
right.
you guys hear me?
Yeah.
New coin.
Wait. I thought you were joking at first. Are you serious, too, Fred?
You have no idea everything I did in Sean's name and didn't know it.
No, fuck.
What?
Does she know that she has a crypto account now?
Yeah.
Tommy,
What
you got
Is a,
you're
gonna get a full-size sex doll on her door.
Tommy's on Wi-Fi.
Oh.
Stop.
he's Tommy, you're roboting pretty bad.
Fred ordered the biggest silicone hooker he could order on Amazon.
Let's go.
I wonder why
Hey,
she told me
Fred.
that. Yeah.
Hey, Fred.
Yeah.
Save that in a flash drive and send that to me. Because I don't know if it's
What?
important or not.
What?
Whatever it was on there.
Her debit card information or credit card information?
Okay, delete that shit. Just delete it.
Too late.
Yeah, stop.
It popped up. I spent. You don't have any idea how much money I spent on Cyber Monday.
Fred, she
He
is.
He didn't realize
And
it.
your ass ain't safe. And I mean, my those breaths out. She is a freak.
Well,
She gonna get you
She's
down.
a freak right now that's broke.
Be broke now. I'll get her money. Come out there just to watch.
Fred's got a
I'd be
sugar
nice
mama.
and I sent off a few emails for you, Tommy.
He said he sent off a few emails for you too.
Yeah. I don't know what that for.
But I seen you guys were on, so I wanted to pop on and say hi, and I'm gonna get ready to go to bed.
Well, since it's Fred, I know
Bye,
Fred.
Amber.
Fred don't do that shit.
I don't know what
Bye.
All right, Amber. We'll see ya.
Bye. Tommy,
Yeah, but
I
dangerous.
deleted, it was on there, but I deleted it before
Yeah.
I did anything.
Yeah.
Deleted
Thank you,
everything. I deleted everything.
Fred.
It didn't, I had to I don't know what I was in, one of the start menus or deals. And then, I think,
That
I
shouldn't
know,
be there. I don't
I
understand.
don't know. One thing that I tried to do was I was putting my own Google account in. When I brought up what I thought was my account, it brought up all of you
Yeah.
guys. So I went through and deleted everything but mine,
you
obviously. But it had
No.
a list of
Are you?
I bet it. Oh, I know what it was. It was I
Because
was trying to save my password for something, and it brought up the program that has all the passwords in it. And Sean had a bunch in there,
I need
but
to get
I deleted them all.
Oh,
So I don't know what it's all about.
I don't know how I got on there, but thank you, Fred.
Yeah, you're welcome.
But we'll talk to you guys later.
I was just messing with you.
Who's online?
I would never use any of that. I deleted all of it.
We got Ape, we got Squarefoot, and Fred. KRS is coming back.
Okay.
The one thing I know about the little group we have right now, website, and we got back.
Probably a robot and pretty
We're out to make each other money.
You're robot.
Cause I got crappy Wi-Fi.
The only thing we heard was money.
Alright, gentlemen, we'll talk to you later.
All right, Amber, we'll see you.
Amber.
Be safe. Oh, I missed him.
I guess they're both out.
Too?
I guess they're both
I
out.
didn't say goodnight. I thought it was just Amber leaving.
Yeah, I did too.
I heard
Yeah.
money.
I thought it was maybe just me for a minute there, but
No, it was. I thought it was me too. I'm like, holy shit.
yeah.
No, really, I went to save one of my passwords or look up one that I had, like my Kucoin password or something, and I was like, what is all this? And I was like, who is Sean? I was like, oh fuck.
Oh shit.
Big long list of cards, debit cards, and passwords. And there were some.
Do you not wipe the computer before you send it to you?
He thought he did, I guess, but I guess he didn't want it all.
Good thing.
I did. I mean.
Good thing you didn't take that to like Goodwill or something. Fuck.
I know.
Yeah, you got a factory reset.
Ooh.
I would go ahead and do it again, factory reset it, except that I don't want to lose Windows off. Unless Windows would stay on if I did it, I don't have anything on there that.
Windows is always on there as long as you don't delete it.
Yeah, you're fine doing a factory reset. Windows will stay on because that's how it does the factory reset. Is through Windows.
Right, so it'll come up just like I bought a brand new computer then, or bought
Yes,
a new Windows, whatever.
It'll delete all your information, all their information, all personal files, everything, and just start you with a brand new operating system.
Should I do that right before I switch hard drives?
I would do it as soon as possible so you can start building your software.
Right.
I mean, because you've already got TradingView and all this stuff on there, so before you get too deep and get all your personal shit on there,
you can
wipe it out nice and clean.
You can back it up to OneDrive.
Yeah, but that defeats the purpose of factory resetting because it's backed up.
Well, yeah. I mean,
so if there's any, go ahead.
I'm saying you don't have to back up everything. Like your layout of your home screen. I mean, you don't have to put all the documents and stuff back in there.
I've not really done anything. I've just had ROX up here the whole, like all 24/7.
ROX, the 24/7 charting tool, right here on Crypto Leprechaun Live.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You guys need to fire that guy with the cheesy radio voice.
He ought to send me a computer and maybe his debit card information will still be on it.
Yeah. Oh, Doge is going back up. Hit 10 cents.
Oh yeah, 10.061. Right now, anyway.
So Fred, if you're trying to play the CPI report on the 12th, you should do a strangle or whatever, or straddle,
Okay.
because it's gonna go it's gonna go heavily one way or the other, and
Right.
whichever one you have that is not in your favor is gonna be worthless. Nobody's gonna buy it from you. So
But
it's
the
gonna
other
go
one's gonna be astronomical, right?
as long as it's within like a dollar or two. So like I would try to go like $5, maybe $10 out. Either way, $10 is kind of heavy considering we already freaking.
Those are really expensive. They're really expensive.
I mean, you can go further out. You can go 15 or $20 if you want to. But you know, the further you go out in date, you know, if you want to go $10 out for the 12th, I mean, or you do the 13th or 14th, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I mean, you want to just get in and out of it.
Right. I've already got my my stop loss or my whatever take profits. I've got a limit order set right now already for $1, and I paid 8 cents a piece for them.
Yeah. If we have a sideways day or something tomorrow, it'd probably be a good time to get into them around lunch or something while the volatility is low.
The one that I got into, the open interest was 52,000, I think it was.
52,000.
Yeah, and volume on that was like 6,700 or something for the day today. Because I always look at open interest and then the volume
Yeah, open it. That's what you should be looking at. Good job.
to see, make sure I can sell the damn things once I buy them. What's that?
That's what you should be looking at.
Yeah, because the last thing I want to do is buy them and then
Not
think
so.
about exercising them or letting them expire because I can't sell them.
One thing you can look at too, if you look at the delta on there, if it says 0.09, that means that contract will increase by $9 for every dollar the SPY increases.
Oh, that's cool. That's what Delta means.
Yeah. So so if
Okay.
it's a 0.9, that's a $90 move per dollar. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's relative though because it changes because you have gamma and theta, you know, and vega, and then you have implied volatility. So and all that has to. So like if it has a sharp move up, then that means implied volatility is going to go up, and whatever the vega is on it. Say if the vega is like 0.003 or something, then it's going to go for every 1% move in volatility. That contract's going to increase, you know, by 3 cents there or something, or if it's like 0.03, then $3. So for every sharp move in volatility, the contract also increases by $3. But then the vega increases the gamma, and gamma is also does implied volatility, and it judges by how far the delta goes up per dollar. So it just keeps rising and rising. Yeah.
My head's about to explode.
Pretty wild when you look at it go. Like you stare at your contract and while it's like during the trading hours, and you'll see the vega and delta and all that move. You can watch implied volatility, and you can get your head wrapped around it that way. It's pretty wild. It's like a freaking heartbeat.
I just hope that. I mean, are you? I don't know. I was torn because it was the SPY was like $3.93 when $393 when I bought the options, and I'm like, well, if we have any kind of good news at all next week, then this thing's gonna skyrocket.
You bought those today?
Yeah.
Man, that could be such a good position on my. Yeah, I'm holding 415 calls. I got 40 contracts on it. I'm like, come on, this fucking sucks.
The high of the day on these that I bought for 8 cents, the high of the day was 16 cents.
Yeah.
I looked at that as well.
What's your expiration on that?
December 16th, which is a week from Friday, I think.
What's the strike?
10 days from now.
Yeah, strike is 4:30, I believe, or 4:32, something like that. I think it is
The 420 calls are have the most open interest right now.
how much open interest?
Well, I'm just saying it's on. If you look at there's a chart that tracks the calls and puts for the SPY, and 420 is the most bought right now.
Oh wow, that'd be nice to look at, so I don't. Person didn't have to go. I had to look at it like every one going out of the money, so I can find one with a high enough
You
open
can
interest that suited me.
call put ratios. It's the ticker's PCC, but that's just the call to put ratio. So I'm sure the puts are probably heavy as fuck right now.
Yeah.
I actually check that. You can look at. I mean, there's all kind of shit that you can look at. You got to pay more money, I think, to get some stuff.
Where do you see that? On Robinhood or?
No, on TradingView.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't pay anything because ROX is free, and I get as many indicators if they've got them. I get what they've got, and I can have as many coins as I want on ROX. I should have done the fucking. I didn't have the cash though. I should have done the fucking Cyber Monday or the Black Friday deal that TradingView had. I'll be back in a second. I'm gonna cook these grilled cheese. What were you gonna say?
Puts are up.
Yeah, because what did the SPY end up or down today? Down.
Down.
Oh, that was way down.
Yeah, that's what made me buy the calls actually.
Way down. But the VIX is still only. It's at 22. Futures are still going up. The 12-month futures are still going up. And you still got 55% of all S&P stocks trading above their 200-day moving average.
What's up, Mikey K? What's going on? Well, thank you, sir. Miss you guys too. I'm back and better than ever, though. Rocking and rolling, shaking and moving, itching and twitching. What's new with you, bro?
And the VIX barely even spiked.
What do you think SPY will do tomorrow?
Man, I don't even know what the fuck is going on. All the data doesn't that bad. I mean, it's not that it looks good or bad. It's just like I don't know. It's kind of everything looks set up like it should. All the indicators across the board for going back fucking years, indicated this is a high possibility for not necessarily going into like a bull market or nothing, but a pretty good uptrend.
Right.
Like a Christmas rally type deal, and because we're at resistance, on the SPY, like we're 410 is that number, 410 to 420, and I don't have a fucking clue.
I know.
I had to guess, I would probably say it's. I don't know. It got beat down hard, man. If it gets shut down again tomorrow, this thing could go to like 387.
It could go up,
Yeah,
but
I'm
it could
hoping
go
to
down
gap up
too.
to 400 again. I'm hoping it opens up at 400 again in the morning because that would be it. So we can get another chance, you know,
Uh-huh.
because it's nothing for it to open up, you know, $5 to $10 higher than it closed.
Oh, no.
It's at what 395 right now.
Yeah, 393, I think.
393 is where it closed.
Almost 394. Almost 394.
But the ES futures are at 395. So if futures go up, yeah, we'll see. You can look at
All the way up. So we're gonna get a Santa rally.
Hmm.
I was saying last night, I refuse to trade my trade. I mean to change my trading style though now. Like like I've changed my trading style, but I'm saying like as far as uh for an uptrend, I'm like I just can't trade downtrends. I'm like eventually we'll get a bull market and I'll make my money back.
Right? Yeah. I know what you mean.
I'm like fuck it, it's too late. I'll just trade less instead.
There you go. Is Shorty sleeping, Lip? No, he was on here earlier. He's cooking grilled cheese, I believe.
Shorty sleeps with his eyes open.
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes he snores. On the mic.
You do it when you snore with your eyes open.
Yeah. Is he alive? Well, he's breathing. Lep, you hate chips beaten by a flush. Yes, I don't like. Unfortunately, they gotta put 5 cards out there, though, right? The table near me hit a jackpot. A bad beat, I presume. $3K table share. Yeah, very nice. That's a nice.
Puts are up 11%.
They probably were after today. My
Yeah.
Lord, the market got drilled again. You know, like Kucoin? I just haven't done a whole lot on Kucoin. I don't mind Kucoin.
I still got $100 on there frozen.
Do you?
Yeah. And there goes futures. And there goes Bitcoin with it. with it feds.
Ooh.
You know what? Let's see what's going on. I gotta scan YouTube. I haven't even like investigated the market today. I was like, great, I was wrong. I just closed my phone, went to work.
Yeah.
That's just how I am now. I'm like, yeah, fuck it.
Yeah.
Might as well make some money somewhere else.
Yep. Well, there's nothing you can do about it at that point, so.
Yeah. Definitely not my first rodeo.
No.
Probably done that about, I don't know, 200 times.
Yeah. Yeah, BTC is falling a little bit here.
If we just get this little spike on the S&P futures, man, Bitcoin, it trades with it every night. That, you know, with that and the, of course, against the DXY and with the euro and shit. What is the euro doing?
Squirrel was here, Mikey. He had to step out for a minute. Tommy and Amber were here. They stopped by to say hi. Excuse me, good. Got a runny nose. Two-liter in Vegas? No, they were out there somewhere by you, and now they're in Tennessee. So I don't know what exactly is going on there, but they are no longer. That happened pretty quick too. So they have been gone for about 10 days, something like that, maybe 2 weeks.
Dude, when you look at the euro, man, like on the daily, you know, this pullback that we're having right now is definitely what's going on, but this thing looks bullish as fuck.
Really?
Yeah, if the euro rips, our market's gonna rip with it. Look at Euro USD.
Oh, I think I used to have it on my watch list. I do.
I mean, it's like clockwork. You got 3 moves down, 3 days down, 3 days up, 3 days down, 3 days up, and we're on the third day down.
Oh yeah. Huh. That goes back pretty far too.
Yeah, the back when the market started going up.
Yeah.
November 4th.
You know, like Dogecoin payment on Twitter? I like. Oh, I like. That'd be pretty cool.
And look at now look at the DXY on the daily, and it's directly inverse from the euro.
DXY. Oh wow, it is, isn't it? Huh. That's interesting.
What's up, Mikey K?
I'd say Dogecoin's probably coming on Twitter. I think that he's probably letting some other stuff shake out right now. He's got just a little bit going on. When can I get you a Uber to Indiana Caesars Casino? Maybe some weekend.
Fucking now, Mikey K. Right fucking now. I want one in 10 minutes.
Prisoner right fucking now.
Sorry, go ahead.
Shorty, we missed you.
Hey, Mikey K. Yeah, you guys were talking about me snoring one time on Tame's channel. I woke up to them saying, "Who's snoring?" And I said, "Oh, huh?" And they're like, "Fred, were you asleep?" I'm like, "Oh no, no, He had to be there. It was kind of funny. It was Allie that said it too. She was like, "Fred, are you snoring?" I was like, "Well, I might have just been resting my eyes a little bit." It was like 5 o'clock in the morning. Nobody, not, not there wasn't a bunch of people on there.
Yeah.
I had been talking apparently and had my mic open. Yeah.
Gotcha. Lep, you gonna have to try the new steakhouse at the casino. Yeah, I haven't been to the casino for quite a while. I'm not even sure it's open yet. I haven't heard anybody talk about it, so I don't know if it's even open yet.
Oh yeah, the horseshoe.
Yeah.
Been open for a while.
Uh,
Whenever Bubba left, it opened pretty soon after, didn't it?
no. It wasn't open the last time I was there.
Oh, I thought you meant the whole casino. You mean the steakhouse?
No, yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I don't know about that.
He thought we were talking about the casino. I know, trust me, I know it's open.
Yeah.
Lep wins the sideways shuffle. Well, I don't know. We're about due for it, aren't we? Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Actually, I think we might have started it. I don't know. I need to wait a minute. Hold on. I thought I was on the daily. Hold on. Yeah, we might have started at about about 10:30. You come into F1, Ape.
KRS, like, yeah.
I think Fred said KRS might be.
No, said likes. I don't know if he's going.
Oh. Yeah, no, Ape likes it too.
Okay.
Didn't that happen already? Yeah, I thought it happened a couple weeks ago, I thought.
Yeah. More like a month ago.
Well, yeah. Anyway, I thought it already happened as well. I watched the opening bell this morning. I really thought the SPY was going to take off, and here I'm sitting there with a. I'm already down pretty big in my SPY puts, and I was like, well, boy, here we go, because it was bouncing back and forth all morning, pre-market, and then it was down just a little bit, and I fell asleep, and I woke up, and I was like, I don't want to say it or it'll go off, but I was talking to Siri, and I asked what the price of SPY was, and she was like, SPY is at 300 or what was it, $392. I was like, what the hell? So I jumped on my phone real quick, and I was like, I'm in profit.
Are you up in that, or did you get out sold for profit?
I sold for like $20 profit.
Yeah, good. Were you way down
Yeah,
at one point?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Dude, if you like, man, I'm
And then it went up, so.
the SPY is pretty fucking predictable up until up until it gets breaking resistances and stuff.
Yeah,
Like if it has like 2 or 3 real bad days, then it has like a medium day. Like it just I don't know.
hmm
You make a new low, or you get close to its all time low again, or something like that. If you notice, as long as you would have bought calls within like $20 for like a little over 30 days out or 40 days out,
right?
you made money after every sharp letdown.
So I took that money and I put it into Apple. So we'll see.
What's your expiration?
December 30th.
Yeah. How much were your Apple puts?
Let me look. I can't remember.
I like playing Apple.
Man, the big stocks like Apple and the SPY and stuff, they're a lot more fun because they're so active.
Dude, you gotta try like Microsoft and AMD and Nvidia.
I got
And
$137 puts.
Is
nice.
that in the money, out of the money?
Yeah, it's at 143 right now.
Dude, it could, man,
You're not that far out of the money.
you could definitely hit that like within
Yeah.
a couple days.
Cost me $257
Right, per contract?
per contract. Yeah. You like Apple? I like Apple. Good choice, Lip. Yeah, I just think that there's just a lot of turmoil within Apple right now. Tim Cook's under a little bit of heat.
You gotta do the ultimate short, man. You gotta go buy an Android. Short Apple.
Yeah.
Apple did resume all advertising on Twitter, though.
Yeah, did you know that Elon met with Tim Cook face to face?
Yeah, Cook invited him over.
See, I'm such a wiener.
He's definitely not Steve Jobs.
Yeah. Elon's a big ass dude.
Yeah.
He's like, I'll land a rocket on your house.
Yeah.
He's not scared of much. Did you see fired that Baker today?
Yeah, he was a mole basically, wasn't he?
Old guy. Yeah.
Yeah, he was in with the FBI. It's scary when the agency is supposed to be protecting you is corrupt. It's scary.
Yeah.
I mean, at what point? I mean, what gives? At what point? I mean, they're supposed to be bipartisan.
Unless Hillary Clinton throws enough money at you.
I just feel like somebody's gonna end up going to jail over all this shit.
Bitcoin's trying to put out a little candle.
Oh yeah, it is going up.
It was Doge. Doge got working on his fourth awesome candle. We got a 1 minute. We got a golden cross on Doge.
Yep, it's going up. Profits, profits, profits. You got it, bro.
There's more information to come out too.
Oh, they think he held quite a bit back because Baker was still employed by him. They don't think his attorneys were going to let him do it while Baker was still employed. So I think it's on now.
Baker wasn't one of the. He was one of the attorneys, wasn't he?
I don't know. I'm not sure what he did there. I just know they got fired.
Yeah.
Did you know it came out that Fauci's daughter was a software engineer for Twitter?
Uh-huh.
Man, it's just all so intertwined. It's really scary.
So
scary.
He perjured himself. When he testified to Capitol Hill, he said they asked him if he had any close ties to anybody in the high-tech business. He said no.
I thought he said yes, his daughter worked at Twitter.
Oh, maybe this time around. I'm talking about the first time around.
Oh, okay. I don't know.
I
don't know about that.
Old flip-flopped out Fauci.
Is he not done till the end of the year? Because I thought he resigned.
No, end of the year.
Oh.
You know that some woman, one of the senators or somebody, started coughing, and he said, "You know, you really should put a mask on."
Yeah.
After he said masks just don't work.
Yeah, man, Bitcoin.
Everybody was like back and forth on it, like you gotta wear 3 masks. Then he was like, "No, they don't work." Then he was like, "Then you gotta blah blah blah." That which I don't have any of them, but the Moderna and the Pfizer vaccines are fucking people up.
Yeah.
People are really having issues. Look up. I don't know if it's on YouTube. Might give you a link, but search "died suddenly" in 2 words. Died suddenly.
I know a lot of people who have had it are dying.
Don't watch it while you're eating, and don't let kids see it. Pretty gruesome.
Really?
I'm not watching the whole thing yet. I couldn't. I had to stop for a minute.
Died suddenly?
Yeah, they're finding all these the morticians that are embalming people that died for no apparent reason are finding giant, great big long like fibrous substances in their vein, and every single person that's had what they're finding has been vaccinated.
Huh.
It's like a blood clot that way more than a blood clot.
Right.
I'm glad I didn't get it.
I done had all of them and the booster and some other bullshit.
You are?
Yeah, I don't give a fuck.
They just
I
came
didn't
out.
want.
They came out with a new booster because they said the other ones didn't work.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Believe me, I didn't want it. It's just my wife feels weird about them. I'm like, look, if you think that fucking thing works, I don't give a shit. I used to, I don't know if I used to, snort coke off of fucking strippers' tits. I don't care about a vaccine.
Yeah.
And I know how you feel about it, killing everybody and all that stuff. My mom's real big on all that. I think it's just a big shit show. Because,
Probably.
I mean,
There's always going to be a conspiracy theory about something. Not that that is, or it is, or it isn't, or whatever, but you know what I'm saying? I
yeah.
don't know. I mean, there's people coming out saying that Elon's full of shit and he's making all this stuff up.
Maybe the fact that you can get the shot in any and every single pharmacy, and half these people shouldn't be sticking things, and they're storing everything improperly.
You know, I was at CVS yesterday, or this weekend, and I saw they had a little booth set up where you can get the different vaccines, flu, corona, or whatever. And I'm like, should these people be, I wonder if these people should be even giving these out.
I know, right?
Yeah, and like, is it, you don't know that it's really stored properly, or,
Right.
because I know at one time the C virus had to be stored at a certain temperature. I think that has since changed, maybe, but
I had to
have
have
to
all
be.
my stuff just to be that when I went to Mexico on that trip.
oh yeah,
Been able to do anything over there if I didn't have it.
yeah.
It just doesn't bother me. I mean, if I die, then I fucking die.
Well, you're gonna die at some point.
I'm not scared. The mind is a powerful thing.
Yes, it is. Let you play video poker? No, not really. My buddy does. Never really got into that. I just have a hard time playing those games that are through a computer. I mean, computers are just so powerful. They're either gonna hit or they're not. It's all pre-planned. So I mean, or pre the analog
The analog,
or the not the analog, but the algorithm.
the anal rhythm.
Yeah, the anal rhythm is predetermined. So I don't know.
Yeah, but on the poker machines, it should be set up to give the same odds as cards.
Well, technically, but it makes you wonder on that too sometimes.
Yeah, because I guess regular poker in a casino, there is no house. I mean, there is a house, but how do they make money? A cut?
Rake, yeah. That's why I like
Right.
poker because you're playing against other people. You're not playing against the house.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah. So video poker would have to be set up a little differently, more like a
It's
slot machine. Is what you're saying.
yeah, it's set up like a slot machine to pay out.
Herschel Walker got me in his Senate run.
Yeah, I saw he was behind.
Mm-hmm.
He had
It was close again, but
too much baggage.
that and Warnock spent 150 some odd million, or the Democrats did, to Herschel Walker 53 million or something like that.
Damn.
I bet Herschel Walker's got enough kids he could have voted for him to make him win.
Yeah. Wonder how much of that old Sam gave. He probably still got money he's given.
Yeah.
I like how they're pretty much just letting him set the rules on how everything's going. Just because, what's her name? Is it Waters or whatever her name's talking to him on Twitter about coming before the House committee, and she was like something about the 13th. And he's like, no, I mean, I'd be happy to talk to you, but I'm probably not going to be ready by the 13th. I'd be like, you know what? We're not asking you, we're telling your ass.
Yeah. But see, he's out of the country, though. He can't really.
With the Bahamas not...
The Bahamas won't.
Would they not?
Don't extradite.
They wouldn't extradite?
I don't think so. That's why he's there.
I would think they would not want to piss us off. You know how much they make off the U.S. travelers?
Yeah, but those travel, a lot of us have no idea who he is.
No, but I mean, if the U.S. were to put some kind of a...
That's what I was saying. If the U.S. puts a little pressure on the Bahamas, they're going to give that motherfucker up.
Fuck yeah, they will.
Yeah, but see, they're fighting over jurisdiction. The Bahamas are saying they need to take him, do something with him. But yet, he supposedly bought off, or somehow the Bahamas ended up with like $800 million of the money or something.
Yeah, but they'll still flip on a dime on him.
Supposedly, they're the ones that hacked into the account, right? Supposedly,
really?
To supposedly secure the assets. Dude, he still owns like a $40 million mansion. He owns a yacht. He owns 19 over $1 million properties. I mean, he's got a lot of fucking assets. What really pisses me off...
Parents, big-ass houses that's in their names.
Yeah, what really pisses me off, all the $48 million that he contributed to the Democratic Party, they're saying, oh, they're not going to give it back, they're going to give it to charity. I'm like, fuck that bullshit, give it back to him so he can give it back to us, the investors. That money does not need to be going to charity. That money needs to be going...
belong to them.
No, that money needs to be going back to FTX so they can pay off their fucking investors is where it needs to go. That does not need to be... They better not give that to charity.
Dude, I can't believe this hasn't created riots. Like,
I know. Think of how many people lots of people lost their whole life savings.
And he's free.
Yeah. And basically setting the fucking rules. Sick.
Yep.
Fucking sick. Doing interviews, Good Morning America. It's just unbelievable. I don't...
Good Morning America applauded him.
Oh yeah, so did that fucking, what's her name? What's her name? I can't, Congresswoman. Waters or whatever.
Somebody at the New York Times was so pissed at him. On the Times every day, they posted an article to him saying how good he was, but it was like almost oniony. They were great.
Anybody hear about where the chick is?
Nothing. Zero zilch. She has not talked about, conversated about, nothing.
Yeah, they don't even talk about her, do they?
She's well connected.
Yeah, she is.
Everything is all about Sam Bankman and nothing about Alameda or anything.
I think she's off hiding in her troll house.
I think she's got the loot.
Probably.
Good possibility.
She's in Argentina and he's in the Bahamas.
She's in Argentina?
SBF doesn't even know how to code, he said.
No.
He's a liar.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't believe that.
It's funny how his tweet, "What the fuck happened?" coincides exactly with when those withdrawals were made.
Oh, really?
Like he put in "what the fuck," and then his next texts were HAPP in a row, and they're speculating that was an algorithm that was monitoring his Twitter, and once he typed that, it initiated the sequence to start withdrawing funds.
Yeah, like that trigger.
Huh.
Yep.
The thing is that he's such a narcissist. He thinks nobody's on to him.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Right. Yeah. He
I don't
thinks he
think
can get
he
away
cares.
with. He's claiming he's playing dumb, but you know what? Ignorance is no excuse for the law, for doing the right thing, not doing the right.
Well, speaking of ignorance, I long Bitcoin.
Good job.
Boy, that CoffeeZilla is all over freed.
I know, right? It's so funny.
Yeah.
Where do you need bags at? That last video bothered me when he's like, I talked to him twice and he got off immediately. Well, no, they gave you the mic at the end and he was already 40 minutes over one time and 12 minutes over the other time.
CoffeeZilla definitely try. I don't know. He gets a little personal.
Yeah.
Like I like the straightforward stuff, instead of the ambush approach.
Yeah, but I like how that bothered me. Like, yeah, he's got everything great. He didn't need to play it up how he did. Like, I made him get off the 2 Twitter spaces because of my questioning. Like, no, that's not why you got him.
It might be.
You were just, no, because every one of them he had a time limit, and not one he ran over. And the guy was like, "CoffeeZilla gets one last question, then he's leaving," and then he left. He answered, and he left.
I want to
Yes,
talk.
they had questions. I think Ape wants to talk to him.
Yeah.
I know where he's at. In the Bahamas.
Everybody knows where he's. Yeah, and everybody knows where he's at.
The resort.
Smart. He's smart not to fucking leave that resort.
Yeah.
I don't want to talk to that fucking piece of shit.
I think he's a pretty cool guy.
Yeah.
I want to ask him how he did it.
Did it. Like, think of it and do it. There's no law.
Dude, I was just sitting here and I was like, man, it smells like reefer. It's so strong. What the hell? And my bowl's right in front of my computer fan. It's like blowing hot air. It reeks in here.
Damn, there's a skunk nearby.
Man, it's fine.
I noticed lumber went up 6% today.
Oh, you jinxed it last night. Square foot.
It tanked though. Lumber tanked hard.
Yeah.
It started to tank when the market was going up. I wonder what gold did. Does anybody have gold available?
Yeah. Gold's up 15 cents right now. 17.72.
Huh. So it was up today?
Well, it's bouncing back and forth right now. Oh, it's futures. Showing it's up 30 cents. I didn't know oil was as low as it was.
At least it was up, and the corporate bonds are still going up too. What I noticed today, so I don't know. It's just kind of got me all confused. The market's shitting like it is, but you have all these other things happening that don't indicate a rough economy. You know what I mean?
I do need a bar of gold, Mikey K. That'd be fine. Just fine with me. I would take it.
You gotta do like Goldfinger did. Remember that on Austin Powers?
Yeah.
This is my schmecker. He's like, it's gold. He like pulls his pants off, shines. Yep. I don't think it's gonna work out.
Lep, how many drinks can I get you in Vegas? Probably as many as you would like. I'll drink them up.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, no. Blackjack for one day. I've done it. I'm down. Everyone on one blackjack table playing for one day. It's fine till somebody goes broke.
It's not different than any other day for us.
It's not.
It's just blackjack instead of crypto. Or
Yeah.
crypto instead of blackjack.
True.
Somebody's always getting wrecked.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna get something to drink. I'll be right back.
Yep.
And Bitcoin's gonna make it on the
What?
I don't know. This is if it gets oversold fast enough, it might not.
What you guys talking about?
Oh, I was talking about Bitcoin.
What was your entry on your Bitcoin long?
I got out of it. It was 1732.
Gotcha.
I think we're about to drop some. She changed pretty quick. I mean, it's getting oversold pretty quick though. Like on the 1 minute, it's getting oversold really fast. But it's got a ways to go. Well, now, wait. There I. But I'm short.
What are you shorting? Bitcoin?
Bitcoin 100.
Yeah.
I'm back. Did I miss anything, Mikey?
I just opened the short on Bitcoin.
I thought you were long.
Yeah, turned it around.
I see it's dropping pretty good. It's 15 minutes still.
Not that it couldn't just turn around and go up, but I don't know. Not feeling it.
Yeah. Well, Kramer said that to sell all your Bitcoin or all your crypto, that crypto is like a pet rock. So I think the bottom's got to be in, right?
A pet rock.
Did you hear him say that too?
No.
He said that this morning on CNBC. He's like, crypto's like
Uh,
he's like a pet rock. They're fun to look at, and they're fun to. I can't remember how he put it, but it was a pretty good analogy, really.
I like him, Kramer.
They're popular for a while.
Yeah,
Everybody wants one.
you can paint them. They're cute.
And you can't give them away.
I think he's hilarious.
I don't mind him too bad. You just gotta take what he says with a grain of salt. And
Yeah, dude, he's like every douchebag my granddad was friends with or something.
yeah, yeah, and he.
I was right. Oh, God, I was right.
I mean, he's not too bad on his economics, but as far as like, I would never trade off of him. But
Hell no, I would never trade off him.
no, but it's I don't know. Sometimes what he says about the economics, I don't necessarily disagree with all the time.
Yeah. I just like his like market breadth, analogies and stuff like that, like just overall market sentiment.
Yeah.
Well, you guys don't trade off of his advice?
Yeah, I tried exactly opposite his advice.
That's why I've been getting wrecked all this time.
Yeah, don't. If Kramer says buy, 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 then you sell, sell, sell. And opposite.
Shit.
I think Bitcoin's bullish now.
Take profits.
The RSI hit 30 or hit 29. It's at 29 still. On
Yeah.
3 minute. And that's that's good. That's a lower low on the RSI and a higher low on the price.
Wait, are you still in your long?
No, I was short. I sold it, and
That's what I said. I went to the bathroom, came back, or got something to drink, came back, and he was short, and I was like, what? I thought you were in long.
Yeah, me too.
I'm gonna go long again.
Hell, that was like 2 trades ago.
Like 5 minutes.
Dude, what are you doing? Like 100x?
Yeah.
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 Holy shit, dude, these art rooms are so dirty.
Finger paint.
Room to go?
Oh no, they're making cardboard Christmas trees right now.
Oh.
So it's cardboard and paint everywhere.
Probably just little fucking shavings.
RSI is dropping.
It's still going down. You still in your short?
I just opened another one.
It's coming back down.
There it goes. Everything, actually.
Right.
Taking a
Oh,
dippity jump.
Doge is still over 10. Barely.
10:03. Great big fat ass red candle on the 1 minute.
That's why it's a fat candle.
It's the 1 minute. There she goes. Boy, it's looking bearish on the 15 minute. Damn. It's got room to go too. It's got room to go.
So all your crypto boys.
Yeah.
So do the opposite of what Ape does, so I'll be buying more.
He's been watching.
Hey.
He's been watching Kramer.
Kramer's my uncle.
I wonder what his charity trust looks like. I wouldn't think,
Probably loaded.
he probably does opposite what he says on TV. I always wonder how they got around the fact that, I mean, he has so many viewers that he could move the market, I would think. I always wondered how he got around that.
He moves all the big farmers who trade on their own now. Bunch of old dudes like, you know what, I'm gonna buy me some Sears.
I was about to say they're all like years old.
Serious.
Yeah, right.
I'm gonna buy me some Zenith stock.
Is Blockbuster still in business? I'm gonna buy me some of that Blockbuster.
I heard they're releasing some VHS tapes.
Does
Going
Wal-
out, selling some VHS tapes. I might get me some of those.
does Walmart still have them red boxes? I heard they're pretty hot. Actually, our Walmart does.
Our Walgreens and Walmart has Redbox. I can't believe people still fucking use that shit.
Ours is like up in the corner, like you can't even see it. Like you'd have to know it's there before you know.
On the pharmacy inlet.
Yes, it's back in the corner, Mike, like back where they plug the scooters in. I don't know how you
They
even.
don't have anything like that on the grocery yet.
No, no.
What else can you get there?
Yeah, scooter. They got their scooters and a red box, and I think maybe a crane game.
A keymaker, isn't it?
Oh, maybe. I don't even
That's
know.
the big money.
And a machine that puts out pink pigs, pink and green and yellow or red pigs that you have to try to win.
They used to have that coin count. What is it? Coin.
But Dozer.
No, the where you cash in your change.
Oh, Coinstar. They've got that by the service desk now.
Coinstar. The ripoff. They take like 10%.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, who would ever do that?
People do it all the time.
I mean, I got a change jar. I guarantee it's got $300 or $400 in it. I'm not gonna give them $30 or $40. Fuck that.
To count the money.
I'd do it for $40. I count $400.
I think if you put it on like like iTunes or I don't know what all you've got choices of, but it doesn't charge you if you do that.
Oh, or probably doesn't charge you as much, does it? Or
No.
I mean, they gotta make money somehow.
Yeah.
But damn, you gotta figure they're making pretty damn good money at 10. I think it's 10%, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
That's pretty. That's pretty.
As far as I know.
But most of your banks don't do it anymore around
They
here.
have a glorified coin counter in there. Can you imagine the like coins that they find in that thing, like the company that owns it?
Oh man, yeah. I found a dime the other day. It didn't have a mint mark on it. Aren't those more expensive?
I can't remember.
It depends on what year was it.
Oh, it was older, like 80s.
Oh, I don't know. No mint mark that meant a certain mint,
Oh,
I believe.
What he said.
what he said.
It meant some mint.
It meant.
Yeah. Yeah.
It meant it was meant.
What he meant to say.
That it was meant somewhere.
A mint. Mint.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, my nose is running. Better catch it, huh?
Yeah, man. You get it?
It's like running, but not enough to blow it. It's weird.
Hope it's got good shoes.
Yeah.
I noticed right now that the ESZ, it's more SPY futures. every time it goes down, Bitcoin goes up. Every time it goes up, Bitcoin goes down.
Interesting.
Damn, Mike
Yeah.
K said these dimes with the missing P mint mark in 1982 are very rare and valuable. USA Coin Book estimated value 1982 P Roosevelt dime mint mark variety is worth $256.
Yeah, but you said yours didn't have a mint mark at all, though, right?
Mine didn't have a mint mark, no. And it's not
That's
like
it.
worn off or anything. You can tell it just never had one.
Yeah, he's saying mint mark P, isn't he?
I think so. Well, he started out saying the missing P.
Yeah. How
But
do you know it was supposed to be a P?
maybe that's where all the 1982 dimes were minted. I don't know. I better check that year. I can't remember. It's on my coffee table.
Yeah.
My son probably snatched it up. I had to go through his piggy bank.
Mm.
He's like his daddy. He likes money. Oh, he loves money.
Dude, my daughter started doing this thing now where she comes in and instead of asking you for something, she tells you. She's like, "Give me some, give me some juice," and I'm like, "Huh?
Yeah, what?
What are you saying?"
How about, Daddy, can I have some juice, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, good luck with
Like,
that.
I want juice, and I'm like, "Well, take your hand over there to the fridge and get your ass some juice."
Yeah.
No, she's sassy, man. God,
Is she 4 now?
yeah, boy,
Yeah.
it's wild, man. It's like she just all of a sudden.
That's
started
about
doing-
the age where they start turning into like little people. No
Yeah,
pun intended, but they start really starting to 4 and 5. I've noticed he can get his own drinks now and get his own food and get his get it out anyway.
Last year on New Year's Eve, I watched him while I went to a party he wanted to go to, and I said I'd go over and we built a fort and stuff. Anyway, I had a kid with me that helped me, and he had his girlfriend. Anyway, we were horsing around, and somehow the door got shut, and my nephew got shut outside the room, and I heard him say, "Oh, fuck off." Like, what you said? He's like, nothing. Like, no, really, what'd you say? Did you say what I think you said? No. Yes, you did, didn't you? Don't lie to me now. Yeah, I said it. I said, did you say fuck? And he's like, you just said it. And I said, I know, I'm an adult. Anyway, we went round and round, and he had said it. Heard, what do you think, one of his step siblings, or
It's hard
he
to
said it
tell now.
not in that context, not like fuck off kind of way.
You'd be amazing what he's learned in kindergarten.
Yeah, oh, you mean bad stuff?
Yeah, well, stuff I know he's not gotten from my house or his mother's house.
Right.
School age is where they learn a lot of shit.
Yesterday, my daughter, or she was asking my wife to do something for her. Said no, and she got mad, and it's like this little plastic card reader thing. It's a battery operated thing. You don't want to get hit with it. She hit her in the head with it.
Oh!
And then tried to take off running, and I freaking smacked her in the forehead. I was like, "Hell's wrong with you?"
Yeah.
I was like, you
Yeah,
just lost your damn mind. It's something about like the moms. It's like they're meaner to the moms than they are to the dad.
Yes, mine totally is.
Won't say shit like that to me, man. But
No, he never. He's good around me.
what is it?
you've had your moments.
Oh, we've had our moments, but he knows what happens when he's bad around me.
Yeah.
I don't f around.
Yeah, I don't either. Nobody, and my feelings don't get hurt.
No, I got a wooden spoon my mom used on me, and I've had to use it on him. I've only had to use it 3 times, but he knows exactly what it is and what it takes to get it.
Right.
And he does not do it.
What did he do that time you were changing his diaper? He said something or did something, and you out of reflex just smacked his thigh, his hip real hard, or his thigh. What did he do? And it was out of reflex that you smacked him.
I can't remember. I don't remember that.
I mean, it was in the fatty area on his hip, on his.
Yeah, I can't remember. I don't
Not his
remember.
hip, but what did he do? He either kicked you in the face, or did something that made you mad like instantly. I was over there.
I can't remember.
Kids are mean as hell.
Man, his Hulk impression is you better stay out of the way.
Yeah.
Or it used to be anyway. I don't know about
He's not.
still.
Now that he's on medicine, he's not too bad with that. He doesn't really do that.
There for a minute, he was picking up anything and everything like we had to be like, or at least when I was over there, Lep would be like, TV, no.
Young kids. Kids are crazy.
Yeah.
We were talking, this last weekend we were talking about, he was wanting to know about Jesus and God and stuff like that, and I was telling him about heaven and hell. And, of course, then we had to go through the whole thing about how hell's a bad word, and I was like, yes, but that's where the devil lives, and blah, blah, blah. And he said, how do you go to hell? And I said, by, like, killing people or doing really bad stuff, like lying and stealing. And he said, lying? I said, yes, you can't lie. And his face went ghost white, and he looked at me so serious and said, I lie all the time. I just died laughing. I was like, oh my gosh.
Maybe that'll cure him of it.
Yeah.
He's the kid who'll come in with a blue mouth and be like, so and so, did you get into the suckers? No. Did you get into the candy? No. Why is your mouth blue? I don't know.
Oh, yeah. No, mine does that.
Yeah, something like that. Anyway, just an example.
Yeah.
She was supposed to be taking a nap, and then we walk in here, and I can tell her, like, her eyes are still open. I pull the blanket off. She's just, like, covered in marker.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I've done that, yep.
Do it.
One time I fell asleep on the couch and he was still up, and I woke up and there was Sharpie all over my fridge and all over my wall and all over a lot of stuff it shouldn't have been. Incredibly, Clorox wipes, if you ever have to do this, takes Sharpie off of a fridge pretty well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I was thinking take something stronger than that, but yeah.
I tried it and it worked pretty well.
Now I've heard that which I'm not a big fan of them on certain things, but other things are fine with the Mr. Clean erasers.
Yeah.
Are good on slick surfaces for sure, like porcelain and yeah.
Oh, my doors in my house are white, and like my walls are gray. And she wrote with a crayon and a marker all down the wall, and I just took some goof off, and I wiped it all off. And when I got over to the white, I started noticing. I was like, why does it look so much different? I turned the lights up brighter, and the goof off had took the yellow out of the microfiber I was using
Oh no.
all over my wall.
Oh shit.
I never even thought about putting. I thought you were gonna say it made it with made the paint go on the cloth,
Yeah,
like the actual paint, not the crayon.
took the paint off too. Yeah, that's what I thought he was gonna say.
Yeah.
That paint will hold up pretty good, as long as you're not like saturated.
Yeah.
I just always have goof off when I do floors.
Oh yeah.
I always got that heavy duty stuff.
Did he say anything about your truck being cleaned out, Lep?
Yeah,
Your
he
the boy.
he got in the truck and stood there and looked around and was like, "What happened?" I know one thing I gotta be very careful about is he's in the mood now where he's starting to take things to school he's not supposed to, and he keeps wanting to take it.
Oh.
He keeps wanting to take his toy guns to school. I'm like, no,
Oh my god.
no. So I can't wait until I get a phone call. C has a gun at school.
They expel him for that now,
Yeah.
I'm sure.
or at least send him home that day. For I don't know if they actually expel, but might depend on how
Old.
toy or what kind of toy gun it is.
Well, all his are pretty much Nerf guns, so. But still, And he has a pretty good sized backpack because he's got to have a big backpack because the fucking Chromebook they got to carry around is about 20 pounds.
How old
Yeah.
is he?
Kindergarten.
Is he gonna have a Chromebook?
Yes. It's unbelievable.
Well, luckily my daughter's been using a Chromebook since she was like 2. So.
Yeah, well, she'll know her way around. I got on it one day though. You're locked out of pretty much everything. I tried to even download a new background for him, and wouldn't let me do that.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I mean, Bitcoin ain't looking real good.
Nah, it's kind of.
Sideways.
Uh-huh. Sideways shuffle, Mikey. I'm gonna be real curious to see what the market does tomorrow. Stock market.
Bitcoin's holding up well considering what the SPY did today.
It really is, considering what really everything's doing.
Yeah. That's what's got me like, is it gonna drop? We going to like 16.2 or some shit, or is this thing gonna,
Well,
or is it the signal saying that the market's still going up?
some people are calling for it to go up pretty significantly, and then like in the mid-20s, like 25, and then come back down.
Yeah, I mean, if we get a rally, but this whole time the stock market rallied, this time Bitcoin went down,
Richard Hart was on a Twitter Spaces the other night I was listening to. Boy, he's an odd cat.
Who was?
Is it Richard Hart?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
the Hex guy.
Yeah.
And man, his followers, that whole deal is almost like a fucking cult, man.
That's weird.
It is. They were like praising him. We love you, Richard. We love you. I mean, it was just weird. It's like,
Feels like I'm in a freaking gay bar.
yeah. And anyway, he says the crypto runs in cycles: 3 years up, 1 year down. So he says we're about ready to go, start on the back. He said we're overdue for an upward trend.
Yeah, I mean,
That part I agree with, but
he's not like a dumb guy by any means, man. But his whole character is just crazy.
yeah,
He's very eccentric.
very cocky.
Very. If I think you're cocky, you're cocky.
They were talking about Hex being like 1 cent, like 3 or 4 years ago, and now it's like $1 or something. And he's like, "Yep, told you guys, too late now. I bet you wish you would have got in early." And I'm like, why would you say that it's too late now if you're wanting people to still get in?
It went up to $1, but it is now worth 3 cents.
Oh, he didn't say that part.
But it's still 90,000% since its creation.
Wow. Yeah, I didn't know much about it, but I was listening to it, and very interesting.
I will never stake, probably again because of this whole Gemini thing, and then all this FTX and
yeah.
But I know Tame's pretty deep in that whole hex staking.
Oh yeah, he has been for quite a while now.
But him and I both did a pulse chain sacrifice.
What's that?
You just sacrifice crypto money, whatever you hold in your wallet, towards medical research.
Oh, okay.
In return, you'll get a chunk of pulse chain token once it's released.
Oh, okay.
Basically, give your coins to the god of pulse chain, Richard Hart.
Yeah.
I halfway like the guy. I'm just saying.
Well, I do know that Tame's probably going to get millions worth of pulse chain coin, and I've got almost 1 million.
When are they gonna?
So we'll see.
Any word on when they're gonna release it?
No, they're in beta test 3, which is the last one he said they're going to do before they actually open up the network.
Okay.
But I think he's waiting for the market to start rebounding before he does that.
I think they said on that Twitter Spaces you can buy it on Trust Wallet now. Is that right?
Oh, they're talking about 2 different things, Flip.
Oh.
No, you can't buy pulse chain right now.
Yeah.
That's his platform.
Oh, okay.
You can buy.
I'm rolling out, guys. I'll let you later.
All right, Squarefoot. Later, man.
Yeah, Squarefoot. See ya.
Later, Square.
The Pulse chain is his, or the Pulse network or whatever it is his platform.
His network, yeah.
Exchange, yeah.
And you buy Hex on that?
You can buy Hex right now on MetaMask.
Oh, okay.
But you will be able to buy it on that, won't you?
No, because it's the Pulse network. So you'll use a Pulse chain bridge to bridge between the two networks. Because Hex is an ERC20 token.
Right.
Which is Ethereum based.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Well, I mean, it's not Ethereum based, but that's what everybody's most familiar with is Ethereum as far as an ERC20.
Right, yeah.
I did sacrifice. I sacrificed a nice little chunk. We'll see what happens. But 900,000 coins, and if that motherfucker goes to $1, bada bing.
Yeah, I mean, it's worth the.
And the weird thing with Pulse Chain is he's taking a snapshot here pretty soon of all crypto wallets holding any ERC tokens. Like yours included, 2foot's included. Everybody's going to get a duplicated copy of all the coins they hold on the Pulse Chain network. Now, it doesn't mean that the value for your Ethereum that you hold will be the same as Ethereum X. So that'll be interesting to see.
That part right there confuses me, or it makes me. I mean, I just can't wrap my mind around how cloning the coin like that. I mean, there's absolutely there's no utility at all for those, is there?
Well, yeah, because he's designed the Pulse Chain network. There'll be swaps, bridges. There's already faucets. You can go on the Pulse Chain test network and send transactions, swap, earn fees, spin fees. I mean, it's pretty cool.
But what about like the coin copies of coins?
That's all going to be up to users.
But I mean, what's the utility behind them, though? Is there a copy?
Same as Ethereum. Same as Bitcoin. So there'll be a Pulse Chain network that does NFTs, and I mean everything you do with ERC20, is going to be done on Pulse Chain X.
Okay.
So honestly, I'm not in it because I see his vision. I just saw an opportunity. I'm like, well, we'll throw a little something at this, and hopefully it comes back to Daddy.
Yeah.
If the boomerang don't come back, oh well, I'm not going to cry. Just motivates me to make more money.
Do what?
It just motivates me to make more money.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Tame hadn't mentioned Hex for a while. I'm just realizing that.
Well, there's really not much to talk about. His coins are locked up for 7+ years, and the price is not phenomenal right now. But then again, look at the whole crypto market. The prices aren't great. No. If you're holding, they're awesome if you're buying.
Yeah.
But if you're holding and staking, it sucks right now for you.
Yeah.
But watch Hex pump up to like 20 cents and see how much he's talking about then. I bet you.
Yeah. That's just human nature. I mean.
Yeah. Like I got some dust, some AVAX dust. I might just transfer over into Hex and just stake it just in case. Like $10-20.
Right.
If I could lock it up for 7 years at 34% interest a year, paid back in the form of Hex. Yeah.
Never know.
I mean, when you first got into Gemini Earn, you were getting, 7% on your Doge?
Yeah, 7 or 5%.
I was.
Yeah.
And then they dropped it.
Yeah, I can't remember if I got in on the first part or not. Something like that.
I got into that from Drew.
Huh.
Drew was talking about the Gemini Earn.
Did he lose a bunch over?
No, he pulled out as soon as they dropped it down to 3%. He's like, fuck you and fuck this, I'm out, I'm taking my Doge, and then he sold all his Doge.
Oh shit.
Well, I can't say he sold all of it because who knows.
Yeah, right.
But he did say he sold a huge bag of it.
Yeah.
But yeah, Richard Hart's he's a strange duck, dude.
Yeah, he's odd.
But for some reason, I kind of dig him.
Yeah, I mean, to listen to him talk, he sounds sharp. I mean,
Oh boy, he puts people in their fucking places. I kind of dig it.
yeah. Yeah, it was at 9 on the Twitter Spaces.
You know, and for me, it's kind of like I look at the same situation with Elon. Everybody attacks Elon like with their visions.
Yeah.
And to me, that's good.
Yeah.
Like Eminem, when people are hating on you, you know you're doing something right.
Yeah. He's done alright for
Kind of
himself.
like YouTube streaming. When you start getting these spam guys on your fucking chat, you know you're blowing up.
Yeah. Yeah, I've had several people tell me that.
Negative press or positive press, press is press, and it still works out for your favor.
Yep.
Oh, KRS came back.
Yeah, I saw he was in there.
Alright, this will be my Doge long kick rocks down the road. You guys have a good night, and I will talk to you tomorrow.
Alright, man. Have a good one. We'll talk to you soon.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Peace out.
Later.
See ya.
See you too, Brett.
See ya, man.
Hey, by the way, it was good to talk to you last night.
Yeah, you too, man. Enjoyed it.
Awesome. Sorry I faded out on you there at the end. I was a little too hot for my own good.
That's okay. At least you weren't like KRS and completely like fall out.
Ha!
Did he just go bye-bye?
Yeah, he's like, I'll be right back. I'm gonna make some food, and then boom, he was gone.
And then we got a word or a grunt, and then that was it. Yeah. And then nothing.
All right, man. Go ahead.
Yep. No, go ahead.
I was going to tell him we'll talk to him soon.
See ya. Abe.
Yep. Later, guys.
Later. All right, Shorty, I think I'm actually going to head out, too, get a good early evening here and not do too much the first night back and maybe try to come on tomorrow night.
Yep.
So, I will talk to you soon.
Okay, sounds good.
All right,
See ya.
later. You too. Thanks for everything. We'll talk to all you guys soon. I am back and hopefully back on my regular schedule. So I don't know about tomorrow night. It's kind of iffy. Depends on when my son goes to bed. But I will be back on Thursday night for sure. So tune in Thursday night, usually around 9:30 Eastern time. And thanks for everything. And we shall talk to everybody soon. Don't forget, there's no I in crypto. If we all work together, we can go to the moon together.